Your salary may be higher in 2026. So why does your money feel tighter?
When everyday prices rise, the same paycheck simply buys less.
It's not always that you're earning too little. Sometimes more of your paycheck is being consumed by higher costs. Your paycheck has a number. But what really matters is what that number can actually buy. The solution is simple. Understand your real expenses, protect your savings, and don't let every raise become a reason to spend more.
Start by giving every dollar a job before you start spending it.
Small changes become powerful when you repeat them every month. Here's the hard part. When your income rises, temptation rises too. Because when your money is organized, an unexpected expense doesn't have to become a financial disaster. Your salary is only part of the story. What matters is how much purchasing power you keep and how wisely you use it.